In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule emails in Aweber. By the end, you'll know exactly how to draft an email and set it to go out on the date and time you choose without needing to be at your computer. To begin, open your preferred web browser and search for Aweber. In the results, look for the official Aweber site. Check the URL to make sure you're on the legitimate page, then click through. Once the home page loads, choose Sign In and enter your account credentials as you normally would. Inside your dashboard, navigate to the top menu and select Messages. From there, open Drafts. This is where you'll create and manage the messages you plan to send. Click Create a Message. When the options appear, use the Drag and Drop Email Builder. This editor lets you compose your email visually. Add your subject line and pre-header, then write your content in the body. You can drag in text, images, buttons, and dividers to structure your message clearly. Keep paragraphs short, use clear calls to action, and make sure links point to the right pages. If you add images, double-check that they're sized appropriately so your email loads quickly. Once you're happy with the content and layout, click Save and Exit. You'll return to your drafts list. Find the message you just created. If you have many drafts, use the search or sort options to locate it quickly. Next to your message title, click the Schedule button. In the scheduling panel, choose Date to open the calendar and pick the day you want the email to go out. Then set the send time. Pay attention to the time zone setting here. Make sure it matches the audience you're targeting, especially if your subscribers are in a different region. Choosing the correct time zone ensures the message lands when you expect. After you've selected the date, time, and time zone, click Schedule Message to confirm. Aweber will save that schedule and display the upcoming send on your message. Take a moment to skim your subject line and preview text in the drafts list so everything looks right at a glance. That's it. Your email is now queued to send automatically at the exact time you specified. If you later notice something to tweak, you can return to drafts, open the same message, and adjust the schedule or content before it goes out. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.